How to set any photo as your wallpaper on your Android device. Hey everyone, if you're trying to set a picture as your wallpaper, this is how you do it. Open up your settings first, and once you land on the settings page, just scroll down a bit. Here, sometimes you'll find the wallpaper settings inside display settings, but I have my wallpaper settings right here outside. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on wallpaper and style. And from here, select which wallpaper that you want to change. So let's say if I want to change my home screen wallpaper, first tap on change wallpaper. And then from here, you could select different featured wallpapers, or you could select different kind of colors here and different graphics. And if you want to select a wallpaper from your gallery, just tap on your gallery. So here I have some options. So what I'm gonna do is select the wallpaper that I want to set on my background and just tap on it. So here, once you've tapped on the wallpaper, just tap on done at the top right. And once that is done, it will ask you to set this to lock screen or home screen. I don't want to change my lock screen, so I'm just going to select home screen and then tap on next. And once you've done that, it will show you the preview. Now you can adjust it if you want a bit, and then tap on done at the top right. And once you've done that, you've now successfully changed your home screen wallpaper. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.